If you have been buying on 1688 for a very long time, but you don't know how to make payments with your Alipay, or you don't know how to pay your Chinese supplier on 1688 Chinese shopping app using Alipay, consider to stay tuned to this video and see how to pay your supplier with your Alipay. This is tutorial. Let me show you how. But before we dive into tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Tower or pinduoduo, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account, or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business using pinduoduo 1688 Tower or any Chinese e-commerce website, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial tips and tricks on how to import from China using 1688 Chinese shopping app. So with that being said, let me show you how. Buy on 1688, and here is how you can simply make payment with your Alipay right here. Let me walk you through. The very first thing you need to do is to make sure you open up your 1688 Chinese shopping app. You have to open up your 1688 Chinese shopping app. Next thing you need to do is to search for product from different manufacturer in China using 1688 Chinese shopping app. However, there are so many ways to do that. One of the first ways is to come to the top right here, type the name of the product you are looking for, and you are going to see a similar result. Alternative way to search for product is to click on this icon right here. This particular icon here allows you to search for product by different category of different manufacturer in China, just like what you see right here. You can click on here also and check on another category. You can see these are polo category. Click on here, it will show you another set of category of different products. This is another set right here. You can simply click on here to go back to the home page. Alternatively, if you are looking for new and latest products, simply click on here, and this allows you to check latest product that has been uploaded from different supplier across the 1688 Chinese shopping app. However, you can simply go back home right here. Alternatively, you can click on this camera icon right here, which allows you to upload the product picture sample. I'm going to click on the camera right here. Then I'll come to my phone album, select the product picture, allow the 1688 to scan everything, and it will show you right here. The next thing you need to do is so from the search results right here, we're going to select on a particular product right here. So here, I'm going to simply click on this particular store right here. Click on the product link, then allow it to load up, and it's going to take you to the store sales page right here. Here, you can simply scroll down and check on product detail and product graphics, etc. The more you scroll down, the more different product detail is going to load up, just like what you see right here. However, this is depends on the number of product detail and product picture that have been uploaded by different supplier. So the more you scroll down, the more it's going to load up right here. Okay, scroll down more and more and more. So just like what you see right there. So once you are satisfied with everything you see on the sales page, next thing you need to do is to go ahead and place the order and make payment with your Alipay. Then how do you do that? Click on here right here. Then this is going to open up right here. Then here, this is where you need to choose by color, and here is by sizes, and here is by quantity that you need for each color and each sizes. Okay, so here I need this particular red color right here. I need size 38. Then I need this particular color right here. So I need this. I need the silver color to be size 39. I will have to scroll down right here and then choose size 39 right here. So it's that simple. So that's about two different color, one here and the second one right here. This is the first one with different color and different sizes. Next thing I'm going to do is to click on here to proceed to check out and make payment with my Alipay. So allow the Alipay to connect, then enter your payment password. So payment done, successful. Next thing we want to do is to click on here to close this pump up. And I'm going to simply go back and click on here to fill my profile. By the time I refresh my profile, all the products I just paid for is going to be found right here. So let's check it out. So it's that simple. The first one and the second one. So basically, this is how to buy and how you can easily use your Alipay to make payment for any product to any Chinese supplier on 1688. For more tutorial, tips and tricks about how to import from China using 1688, consider to subscribe. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taobao, pinduoduo, or Idlefish, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or WeChat wallet, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.